My name is Drew. I am an owner in the beauty industry and I give MailChimp a 5. I use MailChimp for the landing pages to collect information from potential customers using lead generation. From there, MailChimp is used to collect email addresses, which sends out auto-response emails via certain keywords to target those customers, again, generating leads and possible income from sales with MailChimp. What I like about about MailChimp is that when it collects the email addresses, it goes through and automatically collects certain keywords, and those certain keywords send out autoresponder emails to the potential customers, lead generations. That saves me a lot of time from having to go through each individual email to see what the customer is looking for. With those autoresponders sending out those certain keywords, it gets the customers the information that they need and allows them to get their information from me as quickly as possible, saving me a lot of time. What I like least about MailChimp is on the landing pages design part, there isn't many themes that are available and you can't import other themes into MailChimp, which kind of limits your ability for making different landing pages depending upon the niche that you have in the market. I'd like to see that option be available that you can import other templates in if you want or design your own to tailor to your niche. That's the issue that I have with MailChimp is landing pages.